again here today, and I want us to learn something very important about Facebook and other social media platforms. In most cases, we get worried of our privacy, and maybe also want to know who are those people really like us and on our profiles on Facebook and maybe WhatsApp. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to know who are those guys, who are those people who always visit our profiles when we're not unaware. It's unfortunate that Facebook or WhatsApp, they don't show you who visited your profile. It's only okay if you are using a Facebook page, because the page, it can actually show, like if you post a video, or you can post anything like a post, you can see how many people it has reached. But when somebody visits your profile, you will not be able to know who actually visited your profile. But in this video, you're going to learn all that. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to use a third-party app. There can be ways to see using just built-in apps of Facebook and so forth. But in this video, we're going to use a third-party app, which we're going to download from the Play Store. Go to Play Store. It's not very much safe using third-party apps. However, there can be, just like other conditions, if there is a problem, you may have to weigh the problem and the consequences. However, this depends on the third-party app you're going to use. So this, we're going to type in like Facebook visitors. Visitors. So when you go to Play Store, there are very many apps that can be able to show us that. However, I can recommend a few, because before I can do this, I must have done some research. There is this profile tracker. It also works very fine. Or you can be able to use, there's another one. It is called social media. Tracker. Okay, so it's all right, okay, it's actually here, this particular app here. It is this one. It also works very fine. So maybe for this video, let's download this. So you install it to your phone. And you're watching my videos today for the first time, and of course, in case you've been watching and you've not subscribed, the only way you can get my videos without me sharing to you, without me even sending them to you, is by subscribing. Also, you can turn the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my posts. So now the app has already installed, so you're going to open it. So when you open it, of course, those in Uganda and other countries like those with where social media is restricted, so this application cannot be able to access your profile if you have not paid the taxes, or you're actually not connected on the VPN and so forth. So you're going to open your login. Either you want to monitor Instagram or you want to monitor Facebook. There are those apps that can monitor quite many of the social media like WhatsApp and many others. So this particular one monitors Instagram and Facebook. So let's go with Facebook. Of course, we must know that this app is free, and you expect some ads to come and disturb when you're like accessing things. But of course, you can remove those ads if you pay a premium version. So I want to log into my account. Okay, so I have logging into my account. And remember, down here you see this area here, and you can be able to change the language to English in case you're using English. So there are quite many languages, you can add them there. However, me, I use English, so I can add in my profile. Okay. So I'm logging in now. So once you're logged on, so there might be a notice, usually whenever you log into anything, that unknown area, Facebook has to notify you. However, it has not much effect although we don't so much encourage using third-party apps because sometimes they expose the privacy. However, they can help too for you to know what you really want to in your profile. So the app is loading on my profile, and it will show me. You see this? It shows you who was number one follower in that period. So this can be used for monitoring, like every day, every time using your app. So you see, like number one of my followers is here, and I can say, let me go to number 9. See that? You can see all those people who are routinely visiting you. So this is what I talked about, that there will be some ads that will keep on disturbing. However, so long as you get what you want, it has no problem for you to have it. In case you don't want it, you can upgrade and buy a premium version. So thank you very much for watching, and remember to subscribe. Also, you can check down to the description. There is other